Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
And this is the one that we're gonna do. Is like straight down that way.
Oh wow, we're in another place now. Oh, there's a library there.
Oh yeah.
Biblioteca.
Yeah, I like that biblioteca. I like the pillars that they have on there. So maybe what we'll do is
Whoa. Look at all these paintings.
got the lighthouse, and then we have that ship, which is pretty cool too. Let me see if I can get in that ship.
Boom. What are you doing? That was a big fail.
Hello. We're in. I'm with my daughter. So we're in Coloane, and we're going to be going down this street right here through the water. It's called Cinco de Outubro. So stay tuned. Spider-Man. Hey. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. You want to grab the camera?
Yay!
So we're gonna go straight on down. So we're gonna go to the waterfront, and we're going to we're basically gonna walk down this kind of beautiful boardwalk. Oh, that's a good camera. I like that camera.
We're gonna go there.
Can I get one of you? Actually, that looks kind of cool image right there, because that's a nice, beautiful building. If you come down this way, that's pretty cool. Oh! I almost fell.
It was out there.
I almost fell on that thing right there. Actually, that's one of the most beautiful little. This is called it says like health posto de saúde, which is like something health. I think posto is like office health office of Coloane.
Maybe.
What's that say in Chinese? Is that any more clear?
No.
I guess it's like a health clinic, but it has kind of a posto de saúde.
We're gonna go down here.
There's our street sign. Avenida de Cinco de Outubro. So that's going to be our focus.
Yep. Yeah.
We're going to come here for a minute. And this is the one that we're going to do, is like straight down that way. You can kind of smell the ocean, right?
Yeah.
And actually, I've seen people, sometimes they go down there. Oh, there's some cranes. Or no, those are called ergat, I think. I saw the name the other day for those white cranes. I think they call them ergat. And sometimes I've seen fishermen walk down that way, but I think they'd get kind of wet today though, wouldn't they? Why? It's kind of cool. There's somebody playing guitar right there. They play guitar. It's kind of cool.
他说在这里找个位置坐啊。There's also UM over there, which is the University of Macau.
Oh yeah. I can also see two flags too on the way. There's like a China flag and a Macau flag.
Yeah.
They're kind of in the water a little bit. I've been seeing these things too. They're beautifying all the signs. Everything is beauty, but not everyone can see it. Not bad. Think about that one for a while. What did that say again? Everything is beauty, but not everyone can see it.
Yep.
Actually, there's like a whole row of like rooftops right there.
Mhm. I remember that one.
And you see that actually, even something like that, to me, that looks beautiful.
Mhm.
But not everybody would see it, you know. Actually, I can see kind of different rooftops, and I remember that one day we were here, and we had some rooftops that we were able to go on top of one. It was kind of amazing.
Yeah.
Let's walk.
There's, I don't, what's that place over there called?
That one? I forget, but there's like a resort over there. So this is like part of Hengqin,
Oh, Hengqin.
and that's like the hiking part of it, and then the part they're building up is over there behind the university buildings. And then right in here they have a resort over here. I forget the name, but it's but that's right.
Looks like a palace.
What is it?
That one over there looks like a palace or something.
Yeah, the palace part, and then I think also those white train things.
那你英语能考吗？
Let's briefly go over here.
Watch for guys. There's no guys.
Actually, this one is a little bizarre right here. So they have some remnants of the light show. The light show is, I think it's going to be over pretty soon.
Yeah. Maybe.
It doesn't start until 7 o'clock, it says.
Yep. The eyes.
Let's go. Let's meander like that, and then we'll go back.
Okay.
Soulbrigada. Oh, it's like this too. They have these giant trees right here. They paint them.
It's birch. Oh my gosh. I think it's birch.
It's what? Birch?
I think it's a
They
birch.
paint it.
Oh, it's the birch.
Yeah. The birch should be like a natural white bark,
Yes.
and they'll have those in more northern climates. Oh, this is for the Chinese New Year.
Yep. It's been all over the place. It's cute.
Yeah, they're good in this place. But remember we were here.
Yep. Oh wow.
Head on back over here. Oh, there's a car. How many minutes are we at? 7?
Wow.
So this road right here goes all the way down to a temple. But I think it's a little bit of a long walk. I don't know if it's interesting enough to film the whole thing. But yeah, probably not. So maybe we can cross back over here a little bit.
Watch for cars. There's a car.
This is all Cinco de Octubre as well.
Oh wow, we're in another place now. Oh, there's a library there.
Oh yeah.
Biblioteca.
Yeah, I like that biblioteca. I like the pillars that they have on there. So maybe what we'll do is we'll just go down to these painted walls on the left side.
Yep.
then that will kind of sum up our video.
See you when we get there.
See you when we...
And here we are.
Dun, dun, dun. So yeah, we got. Actually, this is kind of a cool space because we have our artwork, and we're gonna go around the corner in a second. And then the part that we just missed was we missed some of these big banyan trees, but it's okay because we got those in the picture anyways.
Yep.
And we're just gonna focus on this corner a little bit, and then we'll end our video. So let's kind of meander.
Yeah.
Way down there, you can see the red temple down there.
Oh, there.
So that temple is I forget, somebody was telling me a little bit more about it, but it's like a famous shrine anyways. I think it's something to do with businessmen. There's some reason that businessmen in particular go to that shrine, but I can't remember the reason.
Whoa. Look at all these paintings.
Got the lighthouse, and then we have that ship, which is pretty cool too. Let me see if I can get in that ship.
Boom. What are you doing? That was a
Hard to get
big
into that.
fail.
It's a not easy ship to get into.
Yep, totally.
And I guess so I guess we kind of showed off some of our artwork. We got a pretty cool street down this way, this Coloane street as well. Looks like there's an artist down there too. And I guess we should probably end this particular video though. Kind of wouldn't mind seeing what the artist is doing.
Run! Run! There's also this one over here. There's so many cool paintings. Even that guy on the fish. I don't know why.
Oh, that's kind of cool. That's like those are like little betta fish.
Yep.
I think they're from Thailand.
It's Nemo.
Is it the Nemo fish?
Yeah. But then we're gonna end the video now.
We'll end the video now. And we'll should we put the camera here and then we'll give a conclusion part. Let's see if we can look at that artwork a little bit. Is that a good spot? Cinco de Octubre.
Yay! Tell me how many cars you see in this video. Bye-bye.
2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado, la